What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're tackling a topic that's super important for your overall health and confidence, your pearly whites. We're diving deep into the world of dental plaque, those pesky cavities, and how to keep your smile shining bright. So stick around, because I'm about to share some seriously effective tips and tricks to remove dental plaque, prevent cavities, and keep those pearly whites looking their absolute best. Let's get started. Alright, let's kick things off with a powerful natural remedy that's been used for centuries: clove oil. This essential oil, derived from the clove plant, has a rich history in traditional medicine and is renowned for its numerous health benefits. Clove oil contains eugenol, which has natural antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties, making it effective at inhibiting the growth of bacteria in your mouth. This makes it a popular choice for dental care, especially for those looking to maintain oral hygiene naturally. You can add a drop or two of clove oil to a cup of warm water and use it as a mouthwash after brushing your teeth. This simple mixture can help reduce bad breath and prevent gum disease. Swish it around for about 30 seconds to a minute. This allows the clove oil to work its magic, reaching all the nooks and crannies in your mouth. A word of caution: clove oil is potent, so a little goes a long way. Overuse can lead to irritation, so it's best to start with a small amount and see how your mouth responds. Start with a drop or two and see how your mouth feels. If you experience any discomfort, reduce the amount or frequency of use. The best part about using clove oil as a mouthwash is that it not only helps fight plaque, but it also leaves your breath feeling incredibly fresh and clean. Plus, it's a natural alternative to chemical-laden products. So ditch those harsh, chemical-laden mouthwashes and give clove oil a try. Embrace this natural remedy and enjoy the benefits of a healthier mouth. Your smile and your breath will thank you. With regular use, you'll notice a significant improvement in your oral health and overall freshness. Let's move on to another easily accessible and highly effective natural remedy: guava leaves. Guava leaves are packed with antioxidants, flavonoids, and tannins, which possess potent antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. To use guava leaves, grab a handful of fresh leaves, rinse them, and add them to a pot with about 2 cups of water. Bring it to a boil, then let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. Strain the liquid and let it cool down to a comfortable temperature. Use this natural homemade guava leaf mouthwash by swishing it around your mouth for about a minute or two, focusing on areas where plaque tends to accumulate. You can use this guava leaf mouthwash twice a day after brushing and flossing for best results. Not only will it help keep plaque at bay, but it can also soothe inflamed gums and promote overall oral health. Now let's talk about tooth powder. Making your own DIY tooth powder is incredibly easy and allows you to ditch commercial toothpastes loaded with harsh chemicals. The base is usually a combination of baking soda and fine sea salt. Baking soda helps gently scrub away plaque and surface stains, while sea salt acts as a natural antibacterial agent. To boost the flavor and effectiveness, you can add a few drops of your favorite essential oils like peppermint or tea tree oil. Simply combine a few tablespoons of baking soda and a teaspoon of fine sea salt in a small jar. Add a few drops of your chosen essential oils, close the jar tightly, and give it a good shake to mix everything together. And there you have it, your very own DIY tooth powder. Use it just like regular toothpaste for a natural, effective clean. Let's move on to a fascinating practice that's been gaining popularity lately: oil pulling. This ancient Ayurvedic technique involves swishing oil around in your mouth to improve oral hygiene and overall health. The most commonly used oil for oil pulling is coconut oil, thanks to its antibacterial and antifungal properties. Start by scooping out a tablespoon or 2 of coconut oil and pop it into your mouth. Swish the oil around in your mouth for about 15 to 20 minutes. You can use this time to catch up on emails, listen to a podcast, or do some light chores. Once you're done swishing, spit the oil out into the trash can. Do not swallow it. The oil will be loaded with toxins and impurities, so you don't want to reintroduce them into your system. Let's travel back in time and explore an ancient practice that's still widely used today: datun. This age-old technique has been passed down through generations and remains a cornerstone of traditional oral hygiene in many cultures. Datun, also known as miswak, is a traditional method of oral hygiene that involves using twigs from specific trees as natural toothbrushes. These twigs are not just any ordinary sticks, they are carefully selected for their beneficial properties. The most common tree used for Datan is the neem tree, which is revered in Ayurveda for its potent medicinal properties. Neem has been used for centuries in various forms to promote health and well-being. Neem twigs are naturally antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory, making them incredibly effective at promoting oral health. These properties help in reducing plaque, preventing gum disease, and maintaining overall dental hygiene. Start by selecting a fresh young twig and peel off the bark at one end to expose the soft, fibrous bristles. This process is simple yet crucial for creating an effective natural toothbrush. Chew on the end of the twig for a few minutes to soften them up, creating a natural brush-like surface. This step ensures that the bristles are gentle on your gums and effective at cleaning your teeth. Use the Datan twig just like a regular toothbrush, gently brushing your teeth in circular motions. This technique helps in removing food particles and plaque from your teeth and gums. You can use Datan for about 5 to 10 minutes, or until your teeth feel clean and polished. This natural method not only cleans your teeth but also leaves your mouth feeling fresh and invigorated. We've covered a lot of ground today, but there's one crucial aspect of oral hygiene that often gets overlooked: tongue cleaning. It's not just about brushing and flossing. Your tongue plays a significant role in maintaining a healthy mouth. Our tongues have a rough surface where food particles, bacteria, and dead cells can easily get trapped, leading to bad breath and dental problems. This buildup can also affect your taste buds, making food less enjoyable. While some toothbrushes come with tongue scrapers, using a dedicated tongue cleaner is much more effective. These tools are specifically designed to reach the crevices of your tongue, ensuring a thorough clean. You can find tongue cleaners made from plastic, metal, or bamboo. Each material has its own benefits, but the key is to choose one that you find comfortable and easy to use. I recommend metal or bamboo for their durability and sustainability. These materials are not only long-lasting but also environmentally friendly. Using a tongue cleaner is simple. It only takes a few seconds but can significantly improve your oral health. Stick your tongue out, place the cleaner towards the back, and gently scrape forward. Be sure to apply gentle pressure to avoid irritation. Rinse the cleaner after each scrape and repeat until your tongue feels clean and fresh. This process helps remove the buildup of bacteria and debris. Aim to clean your tongue at least once a day, preferably in the morning after brushing your teeth. This ensures that you start your day with a clean mouth. This simple step can make a big difference in your overall oral hygiene. Not only will it help keep your breath fresh, but it will also contribute to a healthier mouth and a more enjoyable eating experience. So, there you have it. A rundown of some seriously effective ways to remove dental plaque, prevent cavities, and keep your smile shining bright. By incorporating these natural remedies and ancient practices into your daily routine, you can take charge of your oral health and enjoy a healthy, confident smile for years to come. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you found it helpful, and make sure to subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks on living your healthiest, happiest life. Until next time, take care of those pearly whites. Thanks for watching. See you next time.